With its massive pool of 182 million sellers and 1.3 billion eBay listings worldwide, it's no wonder eBay has shown tremendous growth over the years. To make your selling process even more easier, SetCommerce has come up with eBay Marketplace integration, enabling sellers to sell their Shopify products on all eBay sites, effortlessly list their products, and manage them on eBay through a single platform. This integration provides quick onboarding, easy user interface, product management with the help of profiling, which includes policies and templates, and order management with multiple settings. To further enhance your listings, we have offline currency converter feature, which allows manually converting Shopify store currency into eBay store currency, and MetaField feature, which allows importing MetaField from Shopify to eBay without any hassle. What best we have got for you in our parcel is a free plan with 1 year validity and customization as per your need. Also to your service is our 24/7 uninterrupted customer support, so no matter what day, date or time it is, we'll be there for you. Now let's see what our customers has to say.
I saw that working with eBay, I needed SetCommerce. And SetCommerce is just integrating into my shop.
So, what are you waiting for? Try our eBay Marketplace integration now and make sure to fly high on sales over eBay.